In this video, you'll learn how to manage your paired devices, renaming, unpairing, and handling multiple displays reliably. Let's dive in. You'll need at least one device already paired to your SplitCast account. If you haven't paired a device yet, watch the previous video first. Over time, you might need to update a device name. Maybe it moved to a new location, or you want a clearer label. Go to the Devices tab and find the device you want to rename. Click Settings and then enter a new device name and click Save. The change takes effect immediately across your dashboard. If you're replacing a device or no longer using it, you can unpair it from your account. On the Devices tab, find the device and select Unpair. You'll be asked to confirm. This removes the device completely. Once unpaired, that device will no longer display your boards, and you'll free up a slot. If you unpair by mistake, you can always pair it again using a new code. Each SplitCast free plan has a one-device limit. On the free plan, you can pair one device. Pro plans allow unlimited devices. If you've hit your limit and need more, click Upgrade to Pro in the Settings tab to see your options. Upgrading unlocks additional device slots instantly, as well as AI game creation and other features. You can check your current usage anytime in the Devices tab. It shows how many devices you've paired out of your total allowed. When managing multiple displays, a few habits keep things organized. First, use clear naming conventions. Include the location and purpose, like Lobby Welcome or Cafeteria Menu. This makes it easy to find the right device at a glance. Second, group related boards. If you have displays in the same area, consider assigning them boards with consistent styling. Third, check status regularly. A quick scan of the Devices tab shows you which displays are active and which might need attention. These small habits save time as your setup grows. One common issue: device showing offline? First, check that the device is powered on and connected to the internet. Then confirm the SplitCast app is running. Sometimes it closes after updates or restarts. If it's still offline, try restarting the app or the device itself. You now know how to rename devices, unpair them, manage your device limit, and keep multiple displays organized. Next, we're switching gears to games. You'll learn how to create and edit trivia games from scratch.